Tubor nakaslem jong Nongstoiñ Hima.
Kasngi arpo lai tarik unai luar arhajar arpo wei, kalalong kasngi bansa jingken mau ya kan Nongstoiñ College, Nongstoiñ, hakaba umenteri ketenat pulih putih ke sorkar jilla, uba lakmen rembui, ulayo oban penbena bat IT ru ya ka Sanction order, jong kisau pulai teliki pus ya ka baka sorkar kaladat ban mang, nak bentagi dong tray jong keneka college. Ya ketika sanction order nakaliang jong umenteri ketenat pulih putih ulayo ban IT ru syaka principal jong Nongstoiñ College kakong yayasan mau tho hakajing lang kabalong ha conference hall ketika college hakajing don lang uba Maximilian Bersat UMLA ka Nongstoiñ USP ka West Khasi Hills kindong hikai bat kiwe Shushu kita ki South Light liki pos ya kabaka sorkar kaladat ban mang pisah ki kentup ya ki teaching staff bat ya ki non teaching staff.
Hagin isnim don mangai. Baka Nongstoiñ College kan yo sanction post mai bu sa bulai Tylli. Mai 6 kabagila yo kan deficit nadu mensua of 96. Teng sipul ki kili ba ka wei hatin ka wei ka kamba ki ong bai ba kanunu ka jingjia ha Nongstoiñ meta ki ong bai ka balale ka government ka bagen. Nga ong ba la sampu sansne kita kimjia yo em gani ka mana? Kamana? Terbalik ke mana kawan cia, lalu piong di suap, di umbamum di school buildings, ke narak di kam penroy ke education, kawan cia, house nam aja katwa bagaj nam ta. Ngasko sorong ira di pa, ngari pernah school ni kamakwa government school, bila lakukan penjian yang boleh kepenting batamai, lakukan tak jing hajar ka, sino katahun teh. Ngade pra school yang reception. Ngasko sorong ida di ba ni lalak on le ye na mga student juga reception.
It is very easy. I think the Nongstoiñ College have received not less than about 6 crore from RUSA scheme in this last 4 years, if I'm not mistaken. 4 crore. It is very easy to sanction the building, but for salary, we will spend not less than 2 crore per year for Nongstoiñ College. Not less than 2 crore only on salary. So just imagine, that's why I told that the two important milestone is that the foundation day and today. So, my dear friend, when we sanction this post, it's not that it is the duty of the government is completed. No. And many people question, and even tomorrow also some people will question, why not no government college in Nongstoiñ? Government, we have seen how the government is moving and how the government decision which we take, it takes sometimes years, and sometimes it does not materialize. That's why we want to empower Nongstoiñ College. The governing body have shepherded the Nongstoiñ College for the last 42 years. We have seen how this is developed. So we want to empower. Now 43 posts have been sanctioned for both the teaching and non-teaching staff. And we have seen that Nongstoiñ College on its own have started the commerce and science stream. So it is very easy for a Nongstoiñ College, whatever saving it has on the payment of the salary of those 30 odd college posts could be given to the teachers of the commerce and science stream. It is one of the smallest function in the campus of Nongstoiñ College. But I must say, that is one of the two very important milestone in the history of Nongstoiñ College. The first milestone is when the governing body decided that Nongstoiñ College should be set up in Nongstoiñ. And the second, today, the government of Meghalaya, through its People's College granting scheme, recognize Nongstoiñ College. That's why one of the two most significant milestones in the history of the college. Not only that, a milestone in the history of MDA government. We promise and we deliver. My dear friend, Nongstoiñ College have served the people of West Kars Hills more than 43 years now. I'm very glad that previous government have recognized, have contributed something to the college. But it took a courage, it took a conviction, it took the will to do, which our Honorable Chief Minister, Conrad K. Sangma, from the first day, where he publicly stated that education is the top priority. In the history of the government of Meghalaya, in the last 49 years, that in one single sitting of the cabinet took a decision which nobody had ever taken, that 9 colleges will be included in the new scheme of the government, which we known as People's College. And that decision is not taken in Shillong, in the Secretariat, but in the cabinet meeting held at July. Because we want accessibility to the people of the state as a whole, to the student community. We have seen that many colleges, higher institutions situated in the urban areas. So we want to reach out to the rural areas. That's why we have taken Jaintia Eastern College, Shampung College, Nongtalang College, Tirosing Memorial College, Nongstoiñ College, Ribhoy College, and 3 from Karo Hills. Because for the real development, we should spread out. Higher education should not concentrate only in urban areas. We should spread out. That's why Nongstoiñ College is being taken as one.